This is Chris Haines, real estate broker in the Milwaukee area. Many people are looking for the silver bullet to clean their bathtubs. It's no fun crawling around a tub with lots of scum, slime, mold, and other stuff, and then having to scrub it as well as the walls around it. I heard of a solution that is supposed to be able to be sprayed onto a tub and washed away with no scrubbing. So, I thought I would try it on a particularly dirty tub. To start, I needed to get the necessary supplies. A spray bottle, 1 cup of Blue Dawn dish soap, and 1 cup of white vinegar. In the end, I also needed a putty knife, bathroom caulk, and paper towels. Okay, so we've got this bathroom, and it's very rough, very rough. This will be the best test to see if this solution works. Lots of grime, little mold, residue, all kinds of stuff going on in this tub here. So we're going to apply our solution, wait 1 hour, and see what happens. Okay, now for the moments of truth. The solution has been on the problem areas for a little over an hour. And now we're going to go through, we're going to start rinsing all this stuff off. Okay, so we just finished up rinsing, but we also had to scrub. Maybe because this was a particularly tough situation. It seemed like a lot of the areas that didn't have caulk did really well. Some of the caulk had a problem letting go of some of the mold and things like that on it, but maybe a second treatment would work just because there was so much on it before. But in general, it did a pretty good job. It's not the silver bullet, but not too bad. And so I think at this point just all the caulk needs to be removed that has discoloration and just replaced. But so probably about a 70% satisfaction on this. In the end, we got pretty good satisfaction from the dish soap vinegar solution. Even though we had to scrub a bit, it loosened a lot of scum, slime, and mold from everything, including caulk, but it didn't get all the mold off the caulk. So, I used the putty knife to scrape off the old stuff and apply new caulk. You'll notice some spots on this tub. That's not leftover slime, that's just because the tub needs to be reglazed.